Welcome students to Decode Planet. Today I Yatish Bansal will introduce you to one of our amazing coding courses, the one with the C. So let's start from the very basic. What is C? So C is a general purpose programming language which is extremely popular, simple and flexible to use. So why is C used? It is used for writing codes for all type of applications and it is a machine independent language. You guys might be saying that okay sir, we understand that C is a great language in the field of programming, but have we ever heard something made of C, or is there anything we might have seen about C? So let me tell you guys where C can be found. So it can be found in operating systems, Oracle database and Python interpreter. So you can see that these are the building blocks of the IT sector company, and if you want to make a successful career in these IT companies, you have to master C. Okay, so moving on to why is C important. So there is only one fact that will make you absolutely clear that why I am emphasizing on C that much. That is, C is known as God's programming language. So you can understand by yourself that how important C can be. Then C is not only the basic language, but it also provides you a strong base to perform really well in other programming languages such as C++, Java, and last but not the least, Python. I think we have talked enough about the technical aspect of the language, so let's move on to some practical example, right? So let me give you a task, a simple task: write all prime numbers from 1 to 5000. You might be thinking that, sir, do you think of us as a superhuman or something? But let me tell you guys, I have a super tool by which I can solve this problem in just 2 seconds. You don't believe me? Let me show you how. So this is a code that I will use for finding prime numbers up to any number you can think of. You don't have to type a long code, it's only 29 lines code. Yeah, my friends, only 29 lines. So now think of what I can do with a 1000-line code. Yeah, that's the power of programming. So let's see what is the result that we are getting. Yeah, so this is the result. You can see by yourself it is impossible to do this manually, right? So this is the power of coding, my friends. So let's move on. How can you master C? So in our course we are providing you a lot of things which will help you to do so, like we provide you 40 video lectures, 12 self-analysis worksheets, 5 subjective tests, 8 objective quizzes, performance analysis on the basis of your work, your modules completion and your task, and doubt clearing session as well. So here, my friends, is a complete package of C where you can master the language up to the level in which you are expected to go in an IT company, right? So that's all, my friend, today. This was just a short journey through the town named C. If you really want to explore or to have a full tour of this town, enroll today and step by step reach out to your goals. Good luck and see you in the batch.